Okay, so now I've been gone for quite a while on YouTube. So basically, mainly because either I've been gone on campouts or because I'm in Boy Scouts or a lot of homework, got something to go with church, all that other random stuff, that sometimes you have to do, and yet, you're not going to be able to have time for, like, the fun stuff you can do. But yeah, so I've been gone for quite a while now. So, to make up for all that, because my last video was my Spanish project that was a couple of days ago, to make up for that, I'm going to also add on to it. I'm going to show you guys me solving the Rubik's Cube. Okay? Now, we all know that I've done two things. I have, one, made a video about the Rubik's Cube, and I only got that far into it. I've never done these two. I've never done these two. I've only done this. Okay? Yeah, I can do. I don't know why. I don't know why I do this. I don't know why I do this. I mean, it's fun, and when light kind of reflects off of it, it's cool. Anyway, let's see what else. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys me solving the Rubik's Cube, and while I'm doing that, I'm just gonna talk about what's been going on either at school or maybe it's going on around the world. Okay, so once I'm done mixing this up, I'll show you guys, and then I'll actually start talking. Okay, this is now the start of the cube. Okay. No, that's doorbell. Someone is here for my little sister. I won't get into details on that. Okay, so I'll solve the Rubik's Cube. It is now 2:20. So it's been 2 minutes 20 seconds. Now I'm gonna wait until 2:30. Right about go. Here, I'll show you guys. Now, if the camera lags a bit, I'm sorry about that. So, okay, got that done. Now, while I'm solving the cube, I'm just gonna talk about what's going on. Like, y'all know about recent happening going on in Egypt. I think that is pretty pathetic of the government to do that. It's obviously a dictatorship, but I mean, I know all of us feel like freedom, yeah. I mean, I am totally with all the prosecutors and stuff, how they're saying, you're cut off our energy, why did you do that? And yet all the other, like all these super companies or something like that get all the electricity they need. Okay, so all I have to do is right inverted, down inverted on all these corners. Now it's obviously been 2 minutes because I've been showing you guys step by step, and also I'm talking while I'm doing this because I'm one of those people that cannot solve the cube while I'm talking. So there, solved. Okay, so basically, let's see. My computer just went with my screensaver. Obviously it's been 5 minutes. Okay, I can't do it more than 10 minutes, because if I do it more than 10 minutes, it's gonna be like too long. I've been talking yada yada yada. Now, just to give you all a heads up, I'm going to go to a kind of retreat almost. It's happening in like in 2 hours. It's gonna happen. It's gonna start in 2 hours. So that would be around 7 o'clock. And during that weekend, I will not be doing videos or all that. Basically, it's like a sleepover kind of thing at someone's house. Like, there's a bunch of guys. For me, it's gonna be a bunch of high school guys, in one house, and we're all gonna sleep in the same room. We all have our own sleeping bags. Go to sleep, have fun. Lights out are at 12 o'clock. But we have to eat before we go, so I have to eat something quick before I actually go. And this is at a church I've never been to before. It's somewhere in Flower Mound, so that would be pretty fun. Sorry about that. So yeah, I won't be doing these vlogs. Now, I was thinking that, now I probably already told you all this. I want you guys, when you guys see this video, going down to the comment section and comment on something, so I can look at this video, look at the comments, and see what I can talk about. That's my little brother. Don't worry about him. Because usually the only things I talk about are like stuff that won't really matter and are kind of boring. So I was hoping you guys can send me some ideas so I can talk about, because I'm one of those people that just talk about what I think of about it. So like basically showing my opinion. So now been 7 minutes at least. So yeah, just put comments, send me a message on YouTube or something like that. But yeah, now if you're looking at this through Facebook, which might happen because some of you are going to be friends of mine, I'm not going to tell you. If you're looking at this YouTube, I'm not going to tell you where I am. So yeah, I've been getting some odd videos through my input. This one person sent me a message, like a video thing. I don't know what you call it. It's not a video response or anything. It was their version of "Don't Let Me Fall." But it was only like 2 minutes. By B.O.B. I'll put like a link down either. Yeah, I'll just put it right here or something like that. So yeah, just send me ideas, comment, all that stuff, and check out the rest of my videos. Subscribe, add me as a friend if you want to. If you think my videos are cool, add me as a friend. I don't care. So yeah, hope to see you guys in the next video, which might be in about a week or so. Either a week to 2 weeks away from now. I'll probably do one during spring break, or I'll do one when I'm at school. And then I got my friend Dark Knight Master 24 can help me. And we'll both do like a coexisting vlog kind of thing. So yeah, I've already said it. Anyway, and if you guys can solve the Rubik's Cube faster than I, well, probably there's a lot of people who can solve the Rubik's Cube faster than I can. I mean, the world's fastest in UK is 12 seconds. 12 seconds. Mind blown. Anyway, so yeah, yeah, just subscribe, do all that stuff, and thanks for watching. Peace.